Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of SM Education Services. I am here with a very important update. We have received the notification for UP state. The notification had come before lockdown and it was there for like a couple of days, but then it was postponed due to lockdown, right? Now we have received the notification once more time for the registration is open and for UP as well as for Punjab. You know already UP is a medical hub and after Karnataka we receive most number of applications for PG in UP. Okay, and there are so many seats available for good branches. So this is one of the top states where you can get good branches in low ranks also, and the fee is also very reasonable. So we'll talk about what are the dates for registration and everything. So the time schedule for first round of online counseling, the time schedule for the admission through online counseling in the state Uttar Pradesh for government medical college, dental medical college, private college, and institution, university for postgraduate, everything is open. The registration is starting from tomorrow, that is 17th of April. It will be starting from 10 a.m. in the morning and it will going on until 23rd April. So we have 5-6 days of time, and happening will be happening until 2 o'clock on 23rd. But we'll ask you to register as soon as possible so that you don't get stuck in the hiccup last moment. Online security fee payment will be happening, the same timing will be there for the online security fee payment, so you can do it at the same time. Expected date of declaration of merit list, after you do the registration and all the candidates have done the registration from their side, the state medical board will be issuing a merit list for all the candidates. So you will have idea how many candidates have applied for the registration for first round. So you can see that list on 24th of April. And the date of online choice filling, that is the most important part of the counseling, and the locking will be starting on 27th of April, starting from 2 p.m. in the day and will be going on until 30th April until 2 p.m. So you have 3 days of time for choice filling. The declaration of result for seat allotment will be happening on 1st or 2nd May, that is next month, first day or second day. The date of downloading allotment letter and admission, the allotment letter can be downloaded on 4th until 9th May. Registration and security money will be deposited. The mode of depositing security money or registration fee is debit card, credit card or net online banking. For further important or detailed information, you can visit on the website upnitgovernment.in and www.upgme.in. Okay, so this is the official notification came from UP Counseling Board, Office of the Director General, Medical Education and Training, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, so every process will be happening online, and this is very much one of the most awaited notification for many candidates. Many candidates this time looking for UP state because the fee has been reduced, tuition fee as well as the security deposit and hostel charge. Okay, so it's very important notification for all the students. You go ahead starting from tomorrow and do the registration, right? We have official notice from Punjab state also, and the date has been given. The registration is open and it will be opening on 19th of April, will be going on 31st of April. There is mistyping here. Instead of there is like from to difference is there, and there is not 31st May, it's 31st of April. So I'm correcting it. Starting from 19th of April to 31st of April, you will be able to register for Punjab State, first round of counseling. Okay, the merit list will be done on 21st of April, and the candidate candidate will be informed the objections, if any, in the provisional merit list by 22nd of April. So if there is any issue you can see in the merit list, you can talk to the concerned people over the website. The number is given by 5 p.m. 22nd of April, and the choice filling, online choice filling, will be starting on 24th of April. We will be going on until 26th of April. So this is pretty much everything I wanted to share. It's very much important notification for UP and Punjab. So you can read it out, the entire PDF that you can see on the screen. It has imported documents you need to be ready with. All the process will be happening over online mode, so that you can scan and you can upload it. So you need to ready with your signature, scan copy of your signature and everything. So thanks for watching the video. Like it and subscribe the channel and click on the bell button so that you can get notification about the further updates. So thanks for watching. Bye.